Dr. Nidhi Dhawan specializes in the field of ENT with head and neck surgery, with otology as a core area of her specialization. She has more than 2.5 decades of experience in her field. She is an alumnus of the reputed Maulana Azad Medical College and UCMS Delhi. She is also a recipient of gold medal in MS ENT from Delhi University. A certified PH professional from PH-AFI Hyderabad, she is currently the Associate Medical Director, ENT at Dr. Shroff's Charity Eye Hospital, Delhi.
Hi, I'm Dr. Nidhi Dhawan, an ENT surgeon. Today I want to talk to you about a very important everyday phenomena that I'm observing: bacterial infection in the ears. Quite frequently, I have seen patients of the younger age group, 15 to 40 years, coming to me with bacterial ear infections. Now, this could happen due to a number of reasons, but all of them have something in common: prolonged use of earbuds or headphones. Due to continued skin contact, the bacteria tend to grow, leading to infections. The millennial generation is at an especially higher risk because they mostly hang out at cafes, libraries, restaurants, even at workplaces and other public places. Sometimes we just tend to keep our earbuds on open surfaces, let's say on a table, a shelf, a couch, or other similar places. Now they are exposed to infected surfaces, and these earbuds carry the bacteria to the ear, causing infections of the outer ear canal. Many a times we even forget to carry our own headphones, and we borrow it from our friends, family, or even colleagues. Of course, sharing is caring. Nothing really wrong with that. But again, the bacteria get transmitted with the sharing of earbuds. I'm sure you had no idea of all this. But yes, this is the time for you to become aware. So what do you do now? Stop using earbuds? Stop sharing them? Is that even possible? No. Innovation and modern engineering has the perfect solution for this. As an expert, I would recommend that you use earbuds which are enabled to sterilize themselves with some form of technology. Now, there is a technology that can do this for you: UV Nano. What is UV Nano? It is a technology which, when applied to a device, kills bacteria in a very short time. I have recently started using the LG Tone Free, which is equipped with UV nanotechnology that, to all investigative reports, kills about 99.9% of the bacteria within 10 minutes while charging. Sounds too good to be true, right? But let me assure you, it works. Let me also share another great feature of these earbuds. Prolonged use of any ear inserts not only causes trapped humidity, but also pressure on the skin of the ear canal. This makes the canal more prone to infections with discomfort due to the inherent nature of the inserts. So, the medical grade ear gel takes care of all that and gives you comfortable, safe, and worry-free prolonged listening experience. To top it all, these earbuds are also made of non-toxic, hypoallergenic silicone material. Now, I'm a doctor, and you must be wondering, am I always this serious? No way. I love listening to music, love working out to music. It's a perfect stress buster. With the new LG Tone Free FN7 earbuds, this is definitely a safe, happy sound experience. Go try it yourself. Stay safe, stay happy.